Last season, Craig, it was going up. This season, we've stayed up. Mission completed after the 2-1 win against Penrhyncoch. That's a great smile.
Yeah, it is. You know what? We've come under some criticism, rightly so, in terms of the results that we've picked up in sort of more recent games, particularly the turn of the year. However, you've got to be clear with the objective. The objective was simply to stay in this league, and today we've done that. There's 2 games to go. I'm really pleased. I'm really proud of the players. They've stepped up and they've got us over the line, and we can continue now to build like we are doing. You know, and that's my main point really. We're looking to develop this team and this squad and this club back to competing at this level, but that doesn't come easy. It comes with time, it comes with patience, and it comes with a lot of hard work. And I feel that we're on the right path now. And I'm made up for the club, its hard-working volunteers and its supporters.
It's a hard afternoon as well. Penrhyncoch didn't make it easy for us today. It was only a 2-1. Slender, they're down the bottom. They're fighting as well to stay in the league.
I mean, it wasn't a pretty game of football, though. Let's not beat around the bush. It really wasn't. I thought that Penrhyncoch, Gary and Sean had them really well organised. I thought that they sat in their block. And they allowed us to have a lot of the ball. We've then got to show a little bit of quality in our decision making, and I didn't think we did that often enough. We didn't sort of try to entice Penrhyncoch out or look to hit areas in behind Penrhyncoch, but ultimately that's down to all credit to them. You know, they played on the counter. They had a clear plan from minute 1 to the 90th, and they'll be hard done by. They will feel hard done by, and I'm sure they will. I know Gary will and Sean will, but you know, that's football, and we've come out of it the other end. So we've taken the big 3 points, and that to us ultimately is what's most important.
Very important. Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch. Diolch, Del.